In this video, I will show you how you can fix the low volume problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just grab your Samsung phone and check the speaker grills of your Samsung phone. Now if you find any dust or debris stuck in the speaker grill, just use a soft brush and clean the speaker area of your Samsung phone. After you do that, then just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down a bit and tap on Sounds and Vibration. From here, just tap on Volume. Now on this screen, just increase all the volume sliders from here, just like that. Now after you do that, then just go back, and from here just scroll down and tap on Sound Quality and Effects. From here, just tap on Allow, then enable the toggle for Dolby Atmos. After that, just tap on Equalizer, and from here, just select any other option other than Balanced. Now you have the option for Bass Boost, Dynamic, Smooth, Clear, and Treble Boost. You also have the option for Custom if you want to create a custom sound profile on your phone. After that, just go back, then tap on Adapt Sound. Now from here, just make sure you enable the toggle for Adapt Sound. After that, just select the range of your age from the available over here. Now what this feature basically does is that it adjusts the audio of your phone based on your age and your hearing ability. Now if you want to add a more personalized sound profile, you can tap on the plus icon over here, and you can do a hearing test, and you can add a custom sound profile. And after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Accessibility. Just tap on Hearing Enhancements. Now on this page, just scroll down and look for the option for mono audio. Now if this option is enabled, just turn it off. After that, just tap on Mute All Sounds and make sure that this option is turned off. After you turn off Mute All Sounds, then just scroll down and check the phone speaker section over here. Now if this slider is either on the left side or on the right side, you will find sound issues on your phone. To fix this problem, just make sure you set this slider to the center. Now after you set the slider to the center, then just go to your home screen and open the Quick Settings. In the Quick Settings, just tap on the power icon and select Restart. Just tap on Restart and perform a restart on your Samsung phone. And after you do that, then hopefully the low volume issue will be fixed on your Samsung phone. But if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem on your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.